What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop. And what if I told you that you could make money off of just about any coin, even a penny, solely based off of the condition of the coin? All right, I'm going to show you how. Let's get into the video. Okay, guys. So when the U.S. Mint mints a coin, that coin is in uncirculated condition, meaning it is without flaws and it is in gem mint condition. Now, of course, there are rare occasions where errors occur and things happen, and sometimes the coins don't turn out as expected. However, over the years, coin collectors have been able to sell coins, pennies, dimes, nickels, quarters, you name it, for thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars based off of that gem mint condition. And as you see right here, I have a 1914 wheat cent. Now, these 1914 wheat cents were minted in Philadelphia, Denver, and the San Francisco Mint. For this specific coin, in 1914, over 75 million coins were minted at the Philadelphia Mint. Over 1 million coins were minted in Denver, and over 4 million coins were minted at the San Francisco Mint. So, of course, the least amount of coins minted makes the coin more rare. So right now, I'm going to show you guys some past sales for this specific coin. Check it out. So as you guys can see, condition is everything. Condition will decide whether you get $2,000 for your coin or you get $48,000, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Always check your coins, double check your coins, take it to a coin shop if you have to, and then check it again. So guys, happy hunting, share this video, and also if you need some coin products, I have them in the description below that you can purchase. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.